Hi, my name is Kella, and I'm the CEO and founder at Mailhaven. At Mailhaven, we're solving the problem of missed deliveries and stolen packages. Now, there are 2 billion missed deliveries that happen in the US annually. Even worse are 11 million people who reported having their packages stolen last year. So what that means today is there are 15 million disappointed customers who didn't receive their packages. Hundreds of thousands of courier trucks are going to have to make redelivery attempts to those addresses. And tens of thousands of retailers are going to have to deal with disappointed customers. I've been a disappointed customer myself, and that's how I decided to solve this problem. Meet the Mailhaven. Our first solution is a mobile app that allows you to track all your packages across all retailers and all couriers in one place, letting you know when to be available to receive your packages. However, we do know that everyone has a busy schedule, and that's where our flagship solution comes in. The Mailhaven Smart Mailbox. So meet the Haven. It's an automated reception device that is capable of receiving packages on behalf of homeowners. It's 3G connected, solar powered, and has embedded barcode scanner. And this is how it works. So you go online and place an order. The Mailhaven starts tracking it. It sends it to the Haven and is expecting a package. Whenever a courier arrives, he scans the package, it authenticates, opens up, he deposits it, and then the homeowner gets a message. They've got mail. They're happy. We've designed the Mailhaven to be easy to install, to fit different types of homes and different types of landscapes. So we're addressing the problem for three members of the supply chain. First is the consumer, allowing you to spend your time on what's even more important than going to the post office. No one likes that. For the couriers, we're saving them $25 billion that they lose due to redelivery and misdelivery attempts. For retailers, we're saving them the $9 billion that they lose due to stolen packages and taking away having a disappointed customer. Now, what this creates is an initial target market of $5.9 billion. And this is based on 89 million online shoppers and 27 million rural and suburban homeowners, because they're the ones that have the biggest problem. So the current behavior, what people do is they either ship things to their office, they ship things to a friend's house, or they go to a post office to pick that. And there's some other small startups that are working on this problem. But where we differentiate ourselves is that we have tailored a solution for all three members of the supply chain. Because if it doesn't work out for everyone, then it's not a solution at all. But more important than our product differentiation is the leader in this market is the one who has the right team, the best partnerships that leads to customer adoption and fast growth. And so we've built our team again on three main areas: logistics, hardware development, and software development. I started my first logistic venture at the age of 15. I'm a second-time founder in Last Mile, and it was at my on-demand delivery startup that I saw this problem and saw how huge of a market that it could be. Dagon Dave leads our engineering. He was the first senior mechanical engineering at MakerBot and has been in charge of scaling several hardware products. Ed Hatfield leads our software development. He was the first employee at Stone Street One, which was acquired by Qualcomm, and he has lots of experience in communications protocol. The rest of our team consists of engineers from the best schools and who have a collective experience of over 40 years. So we've been able to get several partners as well. But more importantly, we've got a partnership with the city of Louisville, which is where we're from, to launch a 50-unit pilot over there. Now, so the way we make money is through a one-time fee for installation, as well as an annual recurring subscription fee. But where we start making those high-margin revenue is from the data that we collect from our software and how we can monetize that with our affiliate partners. Over the last few months, we've raised $245,000, $100,000 of that being undiluted funding from grants and awards. We've also built 5 functional prototypes. They're currently in the field right now. And we have our iOS app that is in public beta right now. Over the next few months, we plan on launching a 50-unit pilot, releasing our iOS app to the public, launching a 300-unit pilot with a final ship date of December 2018, and we're raising $750,000 in our current round. Now, e-commerce is growing year over year, 15% to be exact. And it only accounts for just 9% of retail. So what that means is there's lots of room for growth. But with that growth comes more problems, more missed deliveries. And we're the ones that can solve this problem. They have been six $1 billion e-commerce acquisitions in the last 10 years. 4 of them happened within a year, within this last year. So there's definitely something going on. So come talk to us if you'd like to join us and build infrastructure for the future of delivery. Thank you.